Hi, this is Nick from Boatshed Hamble, doing an interior walkthrough of this 33-foot Westerly ketch. 1982, starting in the saloon here, you've got the chart table on the port-hand side, saloon seating port and starboard, and the main saloon table you can see there folds down. Galley on the starboard side, plenty of room, well laid out, really light and airy inside here with all the windows and the coach roof. Through here, hanging locker on the right, through to a separate forward cabin. And the heads. Vac flush toilet and a shower and a basin. Coming back through the saloon, go down the port side, plenty of storage here, as you can see as we pass, and then we're into the separate aft cabin. Please have a look on boatshedhamble.com for plenty more photos, videos and 360-degree virtual reality photos.